Meaning of fumigate.
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 Fumigate. The term fumigate refers to the process of using chemicals, such as pesticides or herbicides, in order to disinfect an area or to get rid of unwanted pests. This is often done by releasing the chemicals into the air in the form of fumes or smoke, and allowing them to spread throughout the target area. Ultimately, this process leads to the elimination of harmful pathogens or pests and helps to prevent further infestation or disease. Fumigation is commonly used in agricultural and industrial settings, as well as in homes and other buildings.